Hi guys, I'm Rasmus and you're watching Slikhaar TV. I'm here with Mette and Mikkel. What are we gonna cut today?
Today we're going for a fall/winter haircut, kind of like the Captain America hairstyle.
Alright, are you up for it?
Yeah, it's going to be great.
Let's get to it.
Hello, my name is Mikkel and I am 21 years old. As a job, I am a YouTuber. I produce Minecraft videos on YouTube, so I game a lot at home. And in my spare time, I find Formula 1 very interesting, and my favorite Formula 1 driver would be Lewis Hamilton. I've actually been watching Slikhaar TV quite a while now, so I find it very exciting to be here, and you guys are probably the best in the game. So, yeah.
We're almost done, but first, Mikkel, do you like your new haircut?
Yes, very much.
And Mette, how did you cut it?
I used the 12mm guards on the sides, kept 7 centimeters on the top, and I used the Sidekick and Wax Zero to style it.
Looks amazing, and as always guys, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about this hairstyle. Like the video and be a subscriber to the channel, and you can take part in the secret giveaway for free nice Vilain hair products. See you guys next time.